Tubers, tubettes, crazy people. This video is 4 months in the making, and I don't think I've ever been happier to make a video than the one you're about to see. It is about John Harper, the quote-unquote broke expat that I interviewed 4 months ago. And without giving you any details about what ensued the last 4 months, we're just going to jump forward and show you how 3 days ago we put John on an airplane to go back to America. So we're going to take you along with us on the motorbike ride to the airport, and then at the end of that I will give you some final thoughts and yet some information about some further updates that we will do about John probably in about a month. All right, so I'll see you on the motorbike ride. Okay, so this is us getting ready to go to the airport. There's Jim, there's the world traveler, John. And let's just see how this goes. I'm getting to the airport about 2 hours early. So we'll just take you for a little ride down the boulevard here. So this has been about 4 months in the making of getting John on a plane back to America. We stopped off at Bo's Coffee to kind of group up before we head out to the airport. Of course, John had 4 different things in 4 different places, so we were able to get him set up with his tickets, his exit clearance. What else? Let's see, ticket, exit clearance, forgetting something. Got his passport, oh, his vaccine card. And he's got birth certificates for the kids and all that happy stuff. Might be kind of windy here. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we'll see what happens. And so he will fly from Dumaguete to Manila. I think he's got about a 10-hour layover. So he's got about 8 sandwiches packed. He actually spent the night last night at Jim's place. Jim made him a spaghetti dinner and then made him breakfast this morning. And then we just bought him a hot chocolate here at Bo's Coffee. And now we're on our merry way to the airport. I don't know if they'll let us video once we get to the airport entrance or not. Something's going on here, I don't know what. What are they doing over there, man? There's something going on here. Video that. I don't know what that was. There was the police and a bunch of people here at the beach. Alright, so here we're going to make a left. This is the land town. And then over here to the right is the Marina Spatial condominiums. And over to the left is Cafe Racer. All places. I've never been inside that Marina Spatial place, and I have not been in the Land Town or Cafe Racer in like 2 years. There's just been other places set up. But May's birthday is coming up here on the 26th, and so my friend Jeffrey is coming into town at that time. And he's got us hooked up over here at the Sierra Hotel. And there's a restaurant right there. I heard it was really good. I've never been in it. And then there's the Sierra Hotel, which I highly recommend, which I don't like to do. But we've never had a bad night at the Sierra Hotel. It's got a nice pool, nice staff. It's about 80 bucks a night, I think. So we'll be staying over there for May's birthday. And intersection, and there we go. This area here is called Piapi, and they have one morning a week, they've got a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables for sale. Up here on the right, you'll see. But I don't think today's the day. Oh, by the way, this is Sunday. It's my favorite day of the week to drive. Now, we're out early in the morning, but that being said, Sunday, there's about 70% less traffic than there is during a normal. Tomorrow's going to be chaos. Mondays are total chaos on the road. But out here, if you're going to go for a bike ride, Saturday, 50% less people, and Sunday about 70% less traffic. And that's the day to do it, the weekend. Yeah, so right over here, it's there is where they sell vegetables and fruits and stuff, but obviously they're not open. Okay, so over here is Mercury Drug, and up on top stairs is Phil Health. But let's not lose our prey here. Uh-oh, they're getting away from us, May. We better hurry up. All right, we're hot on the trail. You see John is wearing a very festive red helmet. Suits him. City Mall over there. And nobody's open yet because we're out, I think it's about, I don't know, 8 o'clock in the morning. This flight doesn't leave till 9:45. And hopefully it'll just be a quick check-in, get a boarding pass, and then we'll try to find a place to sit around and kill some time. Hopefully. Hopefully that's how it works. I don't know where this guy's going, but it's all over the place, apparently. Okay. I don't think I'll try to pass him. He seems to like to weave a lot. And the temperature, for what it's worth, is about 71 degrees. It's about 60 degrees up on the mountain where May and I live. It was downright cold this morning. Ah, there's one of those suicidal dogs. Dogs out here like to wait till you get right there and then they run out in front of you. And we just passed the airport. All right, so I need to let him know that we've passed the airport. right. You passed the entrance. Okay, so John was talking to him about watermelon. And now we got to find a safe place to turn around and go back. Watermelon. Good topic on the, let's see. Always exercise caution, believe me. I'm gonna get up here. All right. Here we go. There's a runway though. All right. So, I'll let them get past me. There we go. All right. Can't blame Jim on this because the Dumaguete Airport is very easy to drive by. My only marker is this Shell station. There's no big sign that says airport this way. That would be too simple. Alrighty then. Welcome to Dumaguete Airport. And we're going to have our little inspection here. Good morning with them. All right. Well, they didn't make us stop videoing. Last time they did. Yeah, we got a few people here this morning. A lot more people traveling than I imagined. Aha, a parking spot. All right, baby May, you can shut her off now, and then we'll catch up later. All right, so here we are. Let's get dismounting. But hopefully they'll let us videotape inside. How you feeling, John? You anxious to go?
Yes.
Huh?
Very much so.
All right, so you got your passport, vaccine card, tickets, exit clearance, right?
Yes.
All right.
I have all of that. Look out.
So we'll just wait for Jim to park the car or the motorbike. Had a little gay moment there. As long as you can.
I don't know if they'll let you inside.
I don't know. We'll find out.
It's nice to have company.
Yeah.
All right, I need to show them my name, my itinerary.
Are they going to allow us in, you think? Think they'll let us in?
If they find out who you are, maybe.
Yeah, huh?
I doubt it, though.
Yeah, I do too. Videotape John.
Here, yeah. Because the back of it's unfolded. You gotta unfold it.
All right. Sir,
What's
yeah.
that?
Thank you.
Let's see if we can go in with you. I don't know. We'll try to go in with you.
Hello, morning.
No video? Okay, I thought so.
Just for you. Yes.
Yeah, we'll just shut that off. Okay, so that's it. That's John up, and away on his way to America. We did that video, I think, 3 days ago. It took him about 40 hours to get to America. And fortunately, there was a support group that had been formed in America during the last 4 months to receive him. And I'm not going to get into it now. I think in about a week or two, once we've got more information, we will do yet one more video about his progress in America. And I have a couple of letters that John wrote to me and to the community, but I think that I'll hold on to those until the final video, okay? So thanks for tuning in. I'm glad John's in America, and I'm very curious to see what kind of progress he makes while he's over there. And so that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. The Old Dog channel will now resume normal scheduled programming. All right, I'll see you in the next video.